Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, special video for you all here. Today we are at the Woe Chapel or Village area here in Maryland, and we're going to do an FSD beta test out the shopping center. Starting from the park position, we're going to see how FSD handles this shopping center and if it's able to get me out. Alright, so it starts off by going left. And last time you thought it went pretty fast in the shopping center, right? So let's try to judge it again here to see what it does. Interesting that you can go left out of here too, but it's saying to go right. So let's let it do its thing. And I'm really interested to see what it's gonna do at that intersection at the top of the shopping center, because it says like incoming traffic has the right of way. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. So I wonder what it's gonna do. 24. It says the speed limit's 30 right here, which I don't think that's right. But it's not going too fast. Did a pretty good job. Alright, we're trying to go left here. And this will be our way out of the shopping center. So let's see what it does. It's creeping slowly. I'm not sure why it's not going here. And it took some time making that decision there. I don't know what made it think so hard. There was nothing in the way, but alright, here we go. This is the intersection I was worried about, because incoming traffic has the right of way, but looks like there is no incoming traffic. It knows to wait for these two cars highlighted in blue. Oh, no, doesn't even wait for the other one, and it just goes. Alright, here we are. Alright, so now we got to make a right onto the highway, so this is going to be interesting. There might be cars coming at us pretty fast. This is a yield. Oh, it sees it has a clear way, and it goes. And notice how it put a step in on that, and it sped up pretty quick. What'd you think about that? Do you feel like it got out of the shopping center a little bit better than last time?
Definitely.
And I didn't even press the accelerator or touch the steering wheel once, and now look, I'm on the highway. It's doing its thing. And before we end this video here, we're gonna attempt a U-turn. And so let's see how it handles itself in, you know, traffic right now. Hopefully no takeovers. Really nice day out here in the DMV. You can see it's 82 degrees. It hit 90s today actually, which was unexpected, but hopefully it's here to stay. If you're from the DMV area, you know you still keep jackets in the car like all the way up until like June. So, you know, maybe it just gets cold again next week, who knows. Alright, see, this car is turning. It knows to get out of the way. And I like the way it handled that. Really cool go-kart raceway. We gotta check that out one day. That looks super awesome. And yeah, so U-turn coming up in 1 mile here. And so far, FSD doing a really nice job blending itself into the highway. Can't even tell, you know, is this a human driving? Is this a computer driving? And that's a big improvement from some of the past versions. Like, my passengers would know that this is, you know, not me driving. Sometimes you don't even know now, right? Like, is this me driving or is it? I mean, you can tell probably because the blue line.
Right.
Yeah, that's true.
But it's definitely gotten better. But
you're not saying it's that good yet? You still feel like, I mean, it's good to be hesitant. It's not perfect, you know, it still has its moments, but I think compared to the average driver, it has surpassed, you know, some of its capabilities. But then again, everyone watching this probably feels like they're a better driver than FSD, of course, and that's gonna take a while for people to get over, you know, because, you know, it's a consensus right now that people think AI drives better than humans, but most people think that they drive better than AI, so it's going to take some time to shift that over. Because right now, I'm coming to that moment where I know that the car is more patient than I am. Right away, it beats me on that. It's got more ability than I do. It's got 8 eyes. I've only got 2, so it beats me on that. And yeah, just other than the human instinct, it's just you'd be surprised. I know the FSD trial is getting ready to end for a lot of people. If you're watching this and you are one of those people that got the trial, let me know what you think. Are you gonna extend the trial now that they dropped the price? Or are you gonna just you know, be done with it? Or, you know, I would like to know people's feedback and thoughts. Definitely drop a comment below. All right, so here we are at the light. We are looking to make a U-turn here. And once again, we're getting this unable to complete maneuver, please assist now, which shouldn't be the case, but we'll see what it does when the light turns green. If not, I will take over, but hopefully it can figure itself out. Yeah, snow dog right there. But yeah, I'd be interested in seeing if people are gonna extend their trial and actually subscribe. Are people gonna consider buying it now that it's only $8,000, or what? Or are we good with just basic autopilot? Let me know what you think below, because basic autopilot definitely doesn't do U-turns. All right, no accelerator presses whatsoever. It's going, a little nudge there, but it's doing the U-turn, and it did an awesome job at the U-turn. And now it's got to switch over a few lanes. Recognize this car pulled over here. Unfortunate. Yeah, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. I want to thank everyone for watching it, and hope you have a great rest of your day.